So Internet of Things is this basic thing IoT works, especially for the communication through protocols and there's a protocols is through interaction connection with the web application through our mobile base to control the device through that is through embedded. So this will be sensors will be collected the data and to send to the information to embedded whatever the microcontrollers everything. There will be interaction interface with the web-based application or mobile-based application. So this a gap is a virtual devices or a physical world. So it to connects to the Internet of Things of IoT. So is a common features like communication has a corporation advisability and sensing identification and user interface embedded processing. I know how it works exactly. How is the internet works exactly? So Internet of Things only works is not only sensors like a smart way. How is one step to head? So RFID is a one sensor. So there's a sensor actually RFID is a capture the information sends to send the data with the RFID to collect the information to the microcontrollers, and the microcontrollers is the collect the data through those stuff as a as a protocols we have. So MQTT protocol, TCP protocol, IPTV protocols, different protocols are there. There's a communication with the between of the Wi-Fi protocols or the sensor we collect to other and show to the information to the mobile device or web-based applications exactly. So this is a way how these IoT works. And before that, what is the basic thing of structure of IoT exactly? The IoT, which is depends on the network device, how much network is a network is good. It's not Wi-Fi is range is very good, so everything is working is good. The internet connectivity is very good. So this smart IoT works very quick. Edge of the technology has. So sends that information data to very quick and they collect the data information from the mobile or web-based application that reflected data. And in case I have to switch on the one light, for example, so internet connectivity in the KB itself. In at that time, the sensitive connectivity sometimes is not connect to the some sensors. On off switch off the sensors. So particularly if the net connectivity is good, so these IoT really play very good technology. Now into the already this technology 2000 boom in the market. So presently 2021 every device you see in the market every device like a smart TV, smart fridge, smart washing machine, and home automation. So everything is coming to the picture. Smart light is now in IoT is already in the market. So only what already IoT is there, but we have to providing like a service base now in the coming to the next in the generation. And current and future scope of IoT. So this I held on it. So this the 2003 has found out these things as IoT based application. Then world population increased to 6.32 7. This is the use of the internet activity and connected the will be growing the as day by day. So everything is a marketing internet world. So everything everybody has connected. Every 70 lakhs people's connected. But the 1 week there were every 70 lakhs people to connect to the internet. So this is a huge market. Next IoT based application. Every base application is going to market next between 2020 will be a huge revolution. Next, IoT network. How is we generally discussed about previously? So there's a different networks. We have to work on this IoT based platform actually. So according to the IoT, we are using the utilities of the general IoT features. So some like transporting energy through the IoT, some application will works, energy based some will works, and different sector like agriculture, health sector, like education also. In case education, there's a smart schooling applications is there, home smart based applications is there. Earthwise also, earthwise like what we call earthwise like sense for the soil moisture and